Hey, today I'm going to show you a product called Adstorm that create ads for Facebook, Instagram, Google, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest, X, Quora, Reddit. It can also clone the ads. It can create mock-up videos for your products. Sorry, you can edit product photos and UGC videos. It creates not just the text ads but also the images, the videos with multiple angles, different hooks. So let me show you some of the samples they have showed. Some of the samples they sent me. Okay, so these are the video ads for a few of the brands.
Look at this finish. Velvet Auto Spa came to my house and made it look brand new. 100% worth it. Look at this finish. Baked with love, made to share. Seasonal flavors await.
Those are pretty good. So if you run a local agency, or if you sell something to local businesses, I think this is really powerful. Okay, they would love this kind of ads. So let's see the real ads.
I literally couldn't fall asleep. Then I tried Lunamind. Best sleep ever.
Introducing the NovaFit FlexCore collection. Sweat-resistant fabric and 4-way strip.
Okay, these are nice. These were, I think, without.
Baked with love.
Okay, the voice and ads, the images, the videos. It even take your logo and animate it. So that is something I really loved about it. And these are the image ads that you can create. So these are pretty high quality. Okay, I love these kind of ads. These ads they do great in today's world, also on Instagram or Facebook. The carousel ads, they are just crushing it. Okay, so you have seen some of the samples. Now let us see if it's really easy to create all these ads. Is it really worth the hype? Is it really simple? Or let's figure it out. I'm going to test it as well with you guys here. Okay, so we are going to create a campaign. Let's create a new campaign. I'm going to create a campaign for Vidura. Okay, you know the Vidura. This is the app we launched few days back and it's just crushing it. People are loving what kind of YouTube videos, long form YouTube videos it can create. So I'm going to create an ad for Vidura. Let me, name should be Vidura 3. I already have 2 campaigns. So brand name, product name. So I'm using it. I'll show you a easier way to fill out all these things. Okay, just go to scan your page, add your website address, and it will scan. It will extract all the details, headlines, the features, the descriptions, even the logo from your website, so you can just use it directly to your campaigns. So if you are a freelancer, if you run ads for affiliate marketer, local business guy, or you sell courses or you sell anything online, this is really good. Okay, just want to say Video AI. Okay, this is pretty bang on. I don't know how they did it. It's pretty solid what it does. And if you want to edit it, you can go and add more stuff to it to make it more powerful. And then I want to change this logo. Okay, so now it has all the basic details. I want to change the logo. The logo should be of Vidura, not Karapura. Okay, I need to see how it extracted that. I'll figure it out later. So all the details about my product is ready. About Vidura, it's here, and now I can go and create ads for this campaign. So I can create Facebook ads, Google, YouTube, TikTok, Pinterest. So Facebook, it's pretty popular. A lot of people, a lot of local businesses, a lot of course creators, and if you're a freelancer, they want to run ads on Facebook and Instagram mainly. So let us see what kind of ads we can create on Facebook. So you can have image ad, video ad, carousel ad, story ad, reel ad. So I'm going to show you, maybe let's create an image ad first. Okay, this thing I really like it. Now if you are starting out, you don't know what to write, this will go, it will take details from a campaign and it will find angles, different angles for you to use in your ad. And you can use GPT, Gemini, Grok, any of them. Okay, so these are the 10 kind of angles it generated and build a faceless YouTube channel. Stop staring at a blank page, rank faster. And if I don't like this, maybe I can regenerate them again. Okay, let's try this one, and this will go and it will make it will improve my ad copy. Okay, and let's generate the image for these ads. I like ChatGPT images, they do pretty well for me, but you can use ideogram is also very powerful. Flux, Grok, Imagine, Seedgram is also great. And you want emojis, use text in image, logo. If you have a ad inspiration that you want to clone or you want a similar ad, you can add it here. But for now, let's go and generate my ads and see how they come out. So let me just pause it here for a few seconds, okay? Okay, so the ads have been generated successfully. Let's go and check them out. Okay, so these are the headlines. When we run ads on Facebook, we need the headlines, we need the text, we need the links description. So it has generated all of those along with my images. We are going to see that in a minute. W2 machine, faceless video, real profits. Okay, they are really simple. And it actually says what my product does, and I like these angles. Okay, if you are just what to write, this can just help you really well. Okay, ready to launch YouTube Empire, that's showing your face. Build faceless, realistic avatar videos in high CPM niche, pick a niche, let AI generate retention, driven script, scenes, voiceover, visual CTA, upload and go. Create a SEO pack, multilingual videos. It has everything I want to tell the audience about my offer. Okay, it's better than I expected. Okay, so I really like them. This is the link description. Okay, these are pretty solid ads, and if you are running new ads, you can just load up variations of these headlines, text and link description and see which of them is doing well. Now let's see the images. Build a YouTube empire, no camera needed. Okay, these are also pretty good. Clean text, dashboard. I might want to change that. Maybe give a give them better direction next time. Okay, does it have my logo? Okay, it have my logo. Okay, I should have given the logo with the white text, but it has came really well. Okay, so what we can do next is let's go back to ads. Now if I want to create an ad for YouTube or Google, I want to run display ads. Same, go and find your angles. Okay, it's the same format. Again, do the same things, find your angles, hooks, chat to the chat, use a text generation model. Let me show you something else. Let us see if we can generate some video ad, like YouTube short ad. Let's find the angle. I think it's a really great time saver. Sorry. So these are the video concepts. Okay, let's try this. I like what it says. Let's see. I have not uploaded my interface, so maybe try something else. Let's try this. Okay, 5 seconds. Let's try 5 seconds only. Do not add any starting image. Let's generate my video ad. And okay, there's some issue with my logo, maybe aspect ratio or size, but they are generating my video. Let's see how it comes out. So when next time if you're creating a video ad, make sure your logo has an aspect ratio that they are asking inside the app, so your ads come out pretty good. Also it says they can clone the ad. Okay, now let me show that feature. That could be really powerful, I think. Now let's see if I can show you something else till the time that is going on. UGC videos. Okay, I can have people talk about my product here and use them for ads. Okay, this is my favorite part. You don't need to think, you don't need to every time go and find what to write. So it just makes everything really easy. It creates your concepts, it creates your scenes and everything. It makes it so real. Let's try and generating this. Okay, meanwhile my YouTube ad is ready. Let's check it out.
Tired of video creation struggles? Let Vidora AI create and optimize for you. Watch your
This
views and
is really cool. I wasn't expecting it to create a ad like this. This is pretty good, man. So you see it has all kind of ads. So what's product mockup? Let's see. This is my cover. Instruction. Put the logo on the table. Logo. Let's add my logo as well. Let's try this logo this time. Merge the product with logo, stickers or designs. Main product image. Okay, I need the product images. T-shirt or something. Let me find a t-shirt. Let's see. Okay, we are going to test this out. Let's see if we can do that. Okay. Okay, this is my another ad which is created. I think YouTube. Okay, we'll check it out in some time. Right now what we are doing, we are creating our product mockup. Okay, so meanwhile let's go and check out our video ad.
I got an email from Vidora AI. My first video is a top 10 hit with over 100k views.
Okay, it's pretty good. If we can, I can make it like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. It could really. So let's check out the mock-up thing. And okay, it did not came out as expected. Maybe I'm not doing it properly, but you get it. Maybe check out the video trainings. There are all the trainings you need. But okay, Cyril, he has added all the trainings here. You can go and check out everything there. So I hope. Okay, so we have seen all kind of ads it can create, and what I want to say is this is pretty easy, pretty simple. If you run a lot of ads on Facebook, if you want to run ads and you stick with ads, ad hooks, creations, angles, images, it can take a lot of time. It can take you days. And if you hire someone, they could charge you like $1,500, $3,000, that kind of price. So if you want to try out something for yourself, it's great. Or if you provide ad creation services, this is for you. If you're a freelancer, if you run affiliate offers, if you have an e-com products, anything, okay, this will get you started. So what I like really is it give you tons of hooks and angles with just a click. So you can see all the angles, and then you can regenerate them with other different kind of AIs. So I really like that. And when you match this hooks and angles with tons of creatives, then it's very simple and faster for you to find a winning ad. So what happens when you're running an ad on Facebook, you need to test multiple creatives, you need to test multiple angles, and this thing make it really easy and really fast without hiring someone. And UGC ads, those are getting really popular, and it creates those UGC ads for you. Okay, this ad, YouTube ad, I really like this. So these ads are really good. These are really usable. Some few ads, I think I have to go and edit them again, maybe learn how to use it properly. But I think it's really great software, easy, simple. Again, ton of hooks, ton of creatives, and that can really help you. And you can go and check out my bonuses below this video, and there will be a link to the offer and the bundle deal. Go and check this out. Thank you so much for watching this, and I'll see you inside.